Okay, how to install CruzArmor onto the front lowers of the saddlebag. Pretty darn easy piece, but a couple things. On the kit itself, you will see where there's a right side up and a left side up. So we want to make sure and use the right side. And again, just keep the direction of it when you peel the thing off. So we're going to go ahead and soak this thing up. This is the top corner that's going to go right here. We're going to just soap it, pour it slowly. You don't want to necessarily yank the whole thing off and have it fold over onto itself or anything. So we're just keeping it the same direction. Again, we're just going to go just like that. We're soaping everything. We already cleaned it with alcohol, the surface, with the alcohol mix. Okay, now this piece just sets right in here. So we're just going to have it maybe a 1/16 to 1/8 of an inch from the top. And so it comes around the corner, maybe about a 1/2 inch. We'll just start squeegeeing out some of this stuff. It still slides. But we're just going to get some of the major stuff out. Again, the thing will still slide around so we can fine tune where we want it, but that looks pretty good right there. So we'll go ahead and hit it with some soap on top, and then I'm just gonna kind of work the center of this. Okay, so that center piece is good. You want to use overlapping strokes so that you don't leave anything out there. You want to make sure the top's wet as well so that the squeegee slides really nice. Now come all the way out to the side here. And then the same thing this way. All the way to the inside. This is an area that just gets beat to death by rocks coming up off the road. And or the heels of your passenger, etc. But we're gonna keep it clean now. So now we're gonna take this edge and we're gonna use a little alcohol. The alcohol spray right there. Start in the middle and just fold it over. And then we're gonna work our way to each point, kind of. And we're gonna do the same on the top. Work our way out to there. And that side is done. Inside, same kind of thing. I'm gonna just lift it just like a 1/4 inch, just to get a little alcohol in there. And then same thing, we're just gonna run it around the corner. And now we use our dry towel, almost like a squeegee itself. You don't want to rub it up against the edge where you might cause it to curl up. So start in the middle, you know, and push your way out. And that's going to help lay down any little edges that are not quite laying down. Because this does, it goes around the corner maybe like a 1/4 inch. So you want to make sure that's around, and again, your dry towel will keep that from lifting. And that's it. If you want to use a heat gun or set it outside, but if anything starts lifting, again, just use your squeegee. If you need to spray a little alcohol to get a finger lifting. But a dry towel, this is a pretty flat, simple piece. And that's it. Then do the other side. Again, make sure that you, on the other side, you have the left and an arrow pointing up on the film. Don't know if you can see that in the camera, but make sure, yeah, keep the orientation correct. If you go, it's not a perfect square, and it definitely makes a difference. But yeah, very simple, easy piece. That's protected.